What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back here in the new shop and we are finally starting construction on the inside here and doing all the walls and everything. So we got the approval from the engineer, he stamped it. We got exactly what we need to do. So on this wall, which is facing towards the house, and the other, there's a detached garage and an attached garage, so it's facing the house. We need to put drywall on it on this wall. So I think it's got to be drywalled 36 feet, so which will probably just go to that beam, a double drywall, and then just 5/8 drywall on the rest of the wall. And then the rest of the shop has to be sprayed with that it's like a DC 315 fire coating, and then I think we're going to tin over, at least tin to the roof for now, and then make it so we can I can tin the roof later on when I'm not feeling so poor, or you know, once it gets stuff, at least get the walls tin, and then you know it'll be all sealed up, ready. You know, I can work in here, weld in here, no problem worrying about bringing this place down. So pretty much Dad's been here helping me, and pretty much have it all strapped in here. And so if you look at the roof now, we're just trying to figure out something to tie. We need to do the top rafter there. Don't mind that broken one, I gotta change that, but you gotta do the top one, or strap it right to the roof there. So we need to tie something to the roof. So we're just, Dad's figuring out something to we're gonna put some braces there and then put board along the top there. So he's gonna be back here again today, and we're gonna hopefully get this wall all strapped and get it ready for drywall. So hopefully we can drywall it this weekend, or I guess today's Thursday, so maybe Friday and this weekend we can get this wall drywalled. And then since it's been super cold though, hopefully get a warm snap, and then we can do spray the fire coating on the roof and the end walls and that side wall. And then technically it's the code, don't have to do tin right away, but it'd be nice to just to get it tinned, be done with it, and we can get everything set up, because that way I can, once I tin the sides, it'll all match. Because it'll look super goofy if we just drywall this side, spray the roof, spray this side, it's gonna look really goofy. Right? But at least it'll be, for now it'll be up to code, and then we can just tin to the roof on both sides, tin the end walls, tin this side, and it'll all match the whole entire shop, right? And then you can just tin the roof later. So just make it so you can just put the tin on there later, is what Dad is thinking. And then get rid of these stupid skylights, because they've pretty much just been dripping. Like the other couple days ago, they were dripping so bad, it was just like raining, and there was just huge puddles here. So these gonna have to go. So probably either take that off, just put tin there, and then just spray foam again to fill that up, and then get rid of them, right? So, but anyways, Dad will be here in a little bit, and we can finish strapping this wall. And just slam it on the ground, right? On the wood or on the little block? Where we're going with it? A mile away, 8 inches or so. Where is it? There? Yep. Okay, ready? First. Or do you think we should hire, you don't want to get wet? You have 2 inches at the bottom, don't you? Yep. Well, if you don't want that getting wet. Should be good level here. I'll just put a 2x4 under it. That's probably too high. You need 1 inch maybe. Just saying, when you pressure wash the floor, you don't want it to get wet. No, I know. But there'll be trim and tin over it. Oh, you are.
Any adjustments or
same thing? Should be able to turn the thing down too.
stop? That might be a little, but that should be still. We'll go for it.
Okay. Put it on this one.
Right on.
Like that.
Still didn't do it.
Alright, so everyone's gone now for the day, and we got a lot of the drywall up here, so we got all the way to the end here, and we just need to do a little bit here because we didn't actually finish the strapping on the behind the window there, so just a little bit, a couple sticks up there, and finish the rest of the drywall, and then we have to put 2 layers of drywall, so we need to put another layer of this 5/8 drywall on this wall, up to this beam, and then up to that beam there, so it should look pretty good. I mean, the shop already looks so much better with this drywall up, and then once we put tin over top of this drywall and tin over the whole entire shop, it's gonna look so awesome in here. And I'm actually gonna get rid of these skylights because they just, all they do is pretty much drip. So ordered some tin here, and it should be in, or it was in today, so we'll go pick it up tomorrow, and then pretty much just gonna pull the skylight out of here, stick that piece of tin back in, and then spray foam the over top of it so it all matches, and then just tin right over it, and you won't even see they're there. No, they're there. So that's gonna look nice. We'll stop that from dripping because like I had some stuff parked here, and it was just like huge puddles of water. Like it got frosty, and then it just dripping all day long. So it's quite annoying. It doesn't really give that much light, and I'll probably add a couple more lights on the other side here because we actually wired in another breaker for a switch here. So it should look way nice.
Almost need sunnies up here. Wow.
I'd say we did it backwards. We should have done the farthest away one first.
Yeah, so you don't have to keep trying to walk around the ones that are final destination. Careful. So how did you put it in backwards? I don't understand why that would matter.
What's that?
Why does it matter though? Is it not the same? Like how? Like what does backwards even mean?
Well, no, it just got different edges. See, like the groove on this edge?
Yeah.
but on the other edge it's flat.
Oh.
We had it the other way and we're like, what the hell? So we cut it.
Whoops.
I think you took this row.
Oh, this.
Yeah, I don't like once it's open. I'll say that.
I would stand on that. Why they ever build it?
Yeah.
Last time I flipped it over like this.
So let me cut a little more.
They shoved paper up there.
Whoa! Easy on the trees.
It just hit the branch. Oh, there's a tape ball up there.
So why aren't you bolting it now?
What's that?
Why aren't you bolting it?
No, we are going to. We just need to silicone it
Oh.
and then bolt it.
Okay, now these little fingers. That's yours.
Do you want to just leave these in here? All right, so you got to meet the new shop dog. Hey, here. What's up, Zeke? He's been sleeping all day. Now he's ready to play. Huh? You ready to play? You'll be up all night, probably. Give me a high five. High five. Yeah. He's gonna be a big boy. Look at this. He's 8 weeks yesterday. And the size of his paws. Oh. He's sleeping all day now. He just wants to play, eh? Say hi. Say hi. So he's gonna be helping around here, being the guard dog and helping with all these projects, right? Right, Zeke? You're gonna be such a good help. Ow! So he's an 8-week-old German Shepherd. He's so cute. Oh! Alrighty, so I got all the drywall up and the double layer on here. So just haven't done this little lip on the edge here, but you can see here's it's double layered here. So double layered it on the first wall here and the second wall here. And then these aren't double layered. These are just regular 5/8 fire whatever drywall. So, and then for the loft here, actually where the boots are, that's where Dad marked it, where the boots here. So the loft is gonna probably come out to this beam, and then behind it, gonna put probably my toolbox along the side here, or along the back here. Have like a little rumpus room, type deal with the, put the air compressor in here, and then where this tape line is here will be the washroom, and then the door for the washroom will come in right here. So you open the door, I think Dad was saying go in here. Toilet, we're gonna have to move this or hammer the cement out and move this toilet to be into code or just code or whatever to there. And then I think of the sink on that wall. So, and then the loft, the stairs in the loft have to go up. I'll show you Dad's drawing, but go up like right here, I think. And then, yeah, it'll be up here, but be pretty decent size. I think he's saying like 8 feet out or so. So it'll be a nice size loft anyways. Put some stuff up there. I was thinking actually maybe like I put my desk up there and then you can kind of sit up there and you can look over the whole shop. It'll be pretty cool, right? So, and also we finished up them skylights, luckily, because it's actually snowed out last night. So these skylights are all, well, they're not spray foamed yet, but Dad lined up a guy to get these all spray foamed. So, but they're all sealed up. And usually like this morning, there'd be puddles on the floor, but they're not even wet. So spray foam them up. I might take the one board out, I'm not sure yet, but and then just spray foam them, and then we can just cover that all with tin and be gone. But it's kind of a pain. It took about all day to change them out, but definitely be worth it. Won't rot the shop out because it was, you know, they're just such a pain to just leak water, right? So, and then also on this side, yeah, we still need to do a little bit, like still need to put the blocks up for the top board, but Dad was here today and we did all the measurements for the tin, so he's getting that all lined up, and then we can finally start throwing some tin down in here, tin the roof. And actually, yeah, and I didn't mention it before, but now we don't have to spray the fire coating. We're putting up 26 gauge tin, so just put up the 26 gauge tin on the walls over the spray foam and on the roof, and then just tin over top of the drywall too, right? So it'll all look the same and cover it all up nice. So so that's great news. It would have been a huge job to spray that fire coating, but luckily we don't have to. So we just pretty much can get the tin ordered up. It'll be like a week or two. I kind of want to, I don't know, let me know in the comments. Do you think I should go gloss white or go with the regular like semi-gloss kind of regular white tin? I think the gloss white would look good, but some people were saying maybe it'll be too bright and be shiny. I don't know. I think it'd look pretty cool. Do the gloss white with the black beams in here. It'll look pretty darn cool, I think. All white, and then have the loft here, and then yeah, maybe paint booth one day at the back. I think you could put a paint booth at the back corner, maybe. I don't know if there's enough room, but it'd be pretty handy because then you could have like all the stuff in here. You just roll, you know, you all got all your panels, say like this car or whatever. Take all the panels off, throw her in the back in the paint booth there, and paint away. And then when it's all done, you just roll her out. Roll the parts out or the car out or whatever, and you know, if you want to wet sand, you can wet sand here and make a big mess and then just rinse her down the drain. I mean, it would get a little bit dust. I mean, it's gonna get dust. I'm gonna prep in here anyway, so I don't know. I was kind of thinking like build another shed for the paint booth, but like that would get pretty expensive. I don't know, but it'd be pretty cool to put a down draft or even just like a flow through draft, just kind of what's like at the farm, but just like buy one of them kits there, or just one off like just a used one or something off of like Marketplace or something like that. I don't know. Doesn't have to be too crazy fancy for now. Could always upgrade it later, but would be definitely nice to have a paint booth here because then I can just do everything. I could do all my painting here, and I can just start hammering out projects because it seems like they take so long now. I have to go back to the farm, back and forth to the farm and everything, and you can start getting these all hammered out. So, but yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video pretty much, and say bye to Zeke. Hey Zeke, Garrett. Terrorizing the shop now. What do you got? Say peace out. Peace.